Hey, I'm Skip Bedell. Today I'm going to show you how to miter trims that meet in the corner for your Palisade tile project. This is a situation you may encounter in your Palisade tile project. Now, if you know anything about framing pictures, this will be easy. Picture frames and boxes require two boards joining together at a right angle. As you know, a right angle measures at 90 degrees. And the cleanest way to join two boards to create a right angle is to cut a 45-degree angle at the end of the two boards. This is called a miter cut. The easiest way to do this is with a miter saw. A miter saw can cut at an angle, or a miter at the end of each piece of the material. In this case, we're going to be cutting a trim piece. Assuming you have a true 90-degree corner, set up your miter saw at a 45-degree angle. But of course, measure your corner. Not every corner measures 90 degrees exactly. Once you're set up, you're ready to cut. Now that we have our pieces dry fit and they all fit good, it's time to adhere them to the wall. So we can use silicone for this process because there's a wet side on all corners. Some applications would require that we use adhesive and then a silicone. This is wet all the way around, so we can go ahead and glue it on with 100% silicone. So I'm going to apply that on both sides of the trim. And then we can go ahead and stick our piece right on. If the trim doesn't stay in place, you can use some masking or painter's tape to hold it into place until the adhesive dries. For more information on mitering trims to meet in the corner, check out palisade-tiles.com.